Hello, good morning. Hope you're doing amazing. I just finished my workout. It was a little bit late today. Okay, thank you, Instagram. So, today I am going to talk about workouts. How many of you think? I get comments from my family members, my friends, Usha, why don't you post workout videos? How many of you think that I like doing workouts? Well, I don't like doing workouts because who likes to give pain to the body, right? We all want the easy thing in life. We want a cushion, and without any pain, things should happen. See, the harder thing is not doing workout, but do we like doing workout or not is the question here, right? So why don't we don't? Because when I was younger and we had this PT class, I used to like cry. We have to wear white dress and to bend and touch my knees. Oh my god. My skirt will be so tight that I will be having hell lot of a time those PT classes. I will say when this class will get over. So that kind of a person I am. So from childhood I've been chubby. I've never been thin in my life. So that has phobia in my mind. Workouts are difficult, tough. I can't do it. And so doing workout itself is a big pain for me. If I was slim and I can eat what I want, definitely I might not be doing the workout. That would have been my mindset. But while training myself doing workout, what I have learned, right? Why workouts are important to us. Basic is for our blood circulation, right? We all know basic science. So when our organs function properly, it is going to help to have a better health. For that we required basic workouts in earlier ages. If I go back in agricultural days or industrial age, what happened, these temples, big temples are now we have small temples near to our house, but when you go big temples, like you can take Tirupati or you can take any big temple in your place, or a religious place we go, they are very huge, right? And imagine everyday men and women going to the temple, taking a round of those circle. Why this practice is great? Because that's the having belief in God is one thing, but scientifically when we go around, we walk, actually we are doing the workout, right? So that has been made a practice for people. But now we pray at our home, or we didn't even pray sometime. So what happened, the lifestyle has changed for us, right? So what are we supposed to do to make workout as our habit? Now you should have a very strong goal why you should work out. If my goal is not strong, that I should look younger as I grow older, that makes me otherwise I'll get, what big deal here. Most of the girls try to high crash, high food hunter, reduce weight for their partner or for the wedding, or for they have somebody, some other as the reason. See, they can be a motivator and trigger for you, but they cannot be your end goal to take care of your health. It is your health. If you are healthy, you should start listening how it is going to impact your own life. So when you start workout, what it will happen, you will start get up early, you will have a positive energy, you will have a better energy to manage your office work, you'll be more productive because you're getting early, so you can plan better, whether you're a homemaker or a working woman. So that's the difference a workout makes in our life. So you like it or don't like it. I don't like it, but I do it. But what makes me to do consistently? Because most of you have asked me how I've been so consistent, how I'm every day doing it. Because I know the end goal is going to fetch a good health to me, and it is going to change my personal life, social life, my relationship, my professional life, and my health. when I'm going to get so much benefit out of just doing 30-40 minutes of workout, why should I not do? Right. Now, how to make, so first thing, you need to have your strong why you should be workout. Forget about weight loss, forget about how you are looking and everything. Just think you want a good health. For that, you're supposed to work out, whatever workout you do. So when your why is clear, why you work out, you need to be second, consistent. Make a time, whatever your mornings, whatever your evenings, when you feel happy doing workout. Because when you do workout in stress, or you hurry, I have to go office, no, the workouts is not going to help you in your body. So if you decided to take care of your health, then you have to get up early, 1 or 2 hours early, based on your program, what you have designed for yourself to do the workouts. Start with 30 minutes early, because obviously you're sleeping till 8 and suddenly somebody asks you to 7:30, you might not get up. So start 30 minutes, and then you will have, currently I get up 4 a.m. so that gives me space to do my morning routines and then start my workout, either running, jogging, or walking, yoga, whatever. So these are the workouts which I do. First, when you are being consistent, you will schedule your time. To be consistent, what is the requirement? First, you have to schedule a time, and then what workouts are you going to do? Oh, I will do 100 this and I will reduce weight, I will look Simran, or I will look something else. You should not have an expectation like that. Do a workout for your blood to flow properly, so that your skin can glow, you can look healthy, you can eat better, you can sleep better. All this matter, because if we only focus on weight loss, within a 1 week you will not do the workout, because weight loss is a continuous process, it's not a one-time activity. For that, you have to make your mind stronger. Okay, so now we have learned that we need to have our strong why. We have to be consistent. To be consistent, you should schedule your time and you should schedule your workouts. Now, coming to different type of workouts, people follow others. Yeah, she is doing Zumba, let me do Zumba. She is doing yoga, let me do yoga. She is doing dance, let me do dance. She is doing gym, let me do gym. See, why she is doing, we don't know, right? Why you want to do it, you have to know what kind of, so for that you should know what kind of a person you are. You like fast workouts, you like slow workouts, you are a person who can only have your work schedule, your work life is like 30 minutes only I can do. So these are the parameter decides what kind of workouts you should be doing. The days you have less time and the days you have more time, how you effectively you can do more workout. So that is going to help you a workout which you are going to love. It's not that it's somebody is telling. Hi Jane, I love that you're doing cycling and it's amazing to see. So I also have started cycling. I did recently 17 kilometer and it was an amazing feel. After ages we are driving the bike. So that's the feel of doing a workout, makes you happy in the morning and you can plan your day as you love. So decide what workouts, when you have to do. You are the person who should decide when what to do, then only it is going to work. But if you go on a training and you don't align with your trainer, then you may not do your workouts properly and you may not like it. You also say, I'm paying so much money, I'm not reducing weight. So those and all are the concept. So have clarity on the workouts you love and have those mix of workouts in your life. It could be gym, it could be Zumba, it could be yoga, cycling, swimming. There are multiple. So morning workouts are as a routine. Then you should have any physical activity in a day which is apart from your workouts. Why? Because whole day we are just sitting and working. What else we are doing? Homework, I don't know, I don't do much, but people who are actually doing homework, maybe then that is fine. But if you're not actually doing, you have a helper who is helping and doing it, then I would say have 30 minutes again in the evening, a walking or anything you love, dance, you can go cycling, Zumba, anything. So you should do workout 2 times to make your body movement properly when you really want a healthy life, because sitting in one place is not going to give you a right posture and only you will get a back pain and your mind will also not work. Okay, so when you have decided on your workout, all you have to put your planner Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, put a recovery day whenever you can. Now most of us think Sunday is a holiday. It's a like, because that's how been we conditioned. We all buy non-veg, we eat nicely because that was the family time we used to be. But now in pandemic, all the time we are at home, right? I have seen most of them take break on Sunday, and then they start, or maybe not start on Monday. And my sister is very very lazy. She always says Sunday is my mind prepared to take rest. See, it's you who decide when to take rest or not, when your body is telling. So when you start working on continuously, you can start taking a break in a weekday, so that will change the schedule so that you even work on Sunday. So if when are we going to resume and go office, you don't take break on Sundays. So it is a continuous process. That's how you are going to get results. So you like workout or you don't like workout, you have to do it. So why not make in a way to do which you like it and you enjoy those workouts. I hate walking, I hate running. I am a girl who used to go gym in an auto, which is like 10 minutes walk from my home. But today's scenario, I do a Sunday a 5-kilometer run, sometime 8-kilometer run. I do it, I enjoy it because it challenge my comfort zone. So when you do something out of your comfort zone, what are you building is your confidence. Okay, so the whole point of doing workout is just not only health. It helps you to be physically and mentally and spiritually strong in your life and have a better life. So you like it or don't like it, make a workout schedule and start doing a workout and love yourself. And that's all I had for today. Bye bye, take care.